Welcome back guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I approach meme coins step by step by the dev perspective of things. Now, I do not rely on trading meme coins, I just focus on deving, the timing, and the entire launch structure. Now, this method has delivered strong results for me over time, and I will expose the entire strategy for you guys in today's video. Are you tired of losing money every single time you buy a meme coin? Well, I am too, and that's why I stopped trading and I started launching, bro. This wallet is the result. Keep watching. Now, a lot of my friends and a lot of people in crypto Twitter in general do not get wiped in meme coins because they're unlucky or because they are bad at trading. They get wiped because they only trade meme coins. What I mean about that is that they enter a coin and then they are wondering why they got completely dumped on and why they lost all their money. Well, that's because the dev is fucking printing off of these launches. Now, in 2026, bro, there's a bunch of well-known KOLs that are abandoning trading and shifting towards launching. It's low risk and high upside. Let me explain why. When you trade meme coins, bro, you are handing all your money to the creators of these coins. Every single time you buy in, it goes to their pockets, okay? But when you launch your own coins yourself, you are the one running the play, you are the one that is printing. Now, the process is simple. You put the token live, okay? You wait for buyers and for people to come in naturally and then to ape in your coin, and then when you are ready to make some money, bro, bang, you just rinse and repeat this method. And yes, bro, in 2026, launching has become really fucking high and popular. It's basically the new meta, so keep watching because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first Solana token on chain and see how it goes, all into this video. Keep watching, bro. I will be on gatekeeping the method. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, bro, so please do your own research. Cap. Now, a lot of new devs, okay, when they start deving, they simply go to Pump.Fun and they try to launch directly here. But there's a reason to why you do not want to be launching your coins on Pump.Fun. First of all, it's oversaturated. There's too many coins launching all at once, so your meme coin is not going to go viral, it's not going to get any volume, it's just going to die out. That's why I personally use another method. But also, bro, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your liquidity pool and they take a cut also from your creator fees. That's why I try to avoid this launchpad, bro. But the ultimate goal as a dev is to get your meme coin in front of the Raydium DEX right here, where a bunch of people are waiting to buy your coin and where a bunch of attention is lying. Now, to reach that point, bro, your coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap, and let's be honest, on Pump.Fun that will take too much luck. That's why I use create meme.io, because if you launch a meme coin here, bro, that meme coin will go directly to Raydium right here, instantly migrated and viewed by a bunch of people on the spot. That's why I personally launch my meme coins on create meme alongside a bunch of other devs. Okay, it's highly gatekept, but it's really fucking effective. Now, I'm going to explain to you how to launch a coin using this platform. There are two ways to create a token here, and which one you choose all depends on your strategy. The first method is creating a coin fully from scratch. This starts with the narrative. You want something that already has attention around it. So go on X, right? Fucking check Google News. Anything trending will work for a meme coin, a viral tweet, breaking political news, or a meme gaining traction. For example, the penguin coin went absolutely viral and it came from TikTok. Okay, now once you've picked that narrative, go back to create meme, invent a name, choose a quick ticker, upload a quick logo, and then confirm, and your custom coin is live within minutes. But if you're focused on speed and you want immediate traction, there's a second route, and that's the fucking copy trending coins method. Because all these tokens right here are all gaining a bunch of traction and they're all going viral and pulling in non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun. And the whole point of this method is to copy a coin that is already working, that already has a good narrative, and then relaunch it on the Raydium to get a bunch of new buyers. So instead of starting from zero, you are jumping straight into existing momentum and bagging those profits. This method is also called vamping, and I love it. Anyways, now it's time to deploy the token on chain and see how much profits we can make all into this video, bro. This will be the most important part of this video. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh and then look for a coin to copy. I like to go for the first one that pops up. Okay, why is it not loading? Let me just refresh and then click on refresh. Okay, I'm gonna copy the, which one? I think I'm gonna copy the Balzac coin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, so it looks good. Click on copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. By the way, the block is completely normal. Every single launchpad will give it to you at the beginning. Then just wait, and then if I go on scan, you guys can see that it's minted on chain. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really important because here's where we create the liquidity pool for our coin, and then it will pop up right here and it will be officially live. Now token A is where we put our liquidity, so click on 90%. That would put 900 million tokens into the pool. Token B is the first buy into your own coin. Okay, you will be the first buy, you will have priority, and like every single coin needs a first buy, and the minimum is 0.3 SOL. Okay, so I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL as the first transaction, and you will get this back later once the liquidity is removed. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about it. And then click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, obviously just wait, and then ignore the block, right? Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on refresh, and then you should be able to scroll down, and then boom, the coin is now created, it's live on chain, and your profits will show up in the P&L section. And if you click on the refresh button, bro, to check your profits, you guys can see that we are up $156 because people are buying our coin and they love the narrative, simply like that. Now that's actually insane, bro. In a couple seconds we got 1.6 SOL worth of buys. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. I like to go on Photon personally. Let me go on full screen to see the coin. Okay, it should be live any second, bro. It has to fucking load in, and boom, bro, now the coin is live. It's all green. I think we're up like $200 already within like a couple seconds, which is absolutely insane. We made this coin for completely free, $0, and now we're getting a bunch of transactions. 1.9k market cap, 1.2k liquidity, bro. This is what we love to see, and that's why I would highly encourage everyone to start deving, bro. Like if you launch like 200 coins, yo, you're actually a demon and you should be stacked. Okay, come on, bro. Now $50, okay, that's not bad. Now the more people who see the coin, the more transactions and volume your coin is going to get, and that will lead to more profits in your pocket, and that is how the mechanics work. Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up, go up, go up, and I will be right back to cash out, so enjoy the show. Alright guys, I am back and I think it's time to cash out. The coin is really fucking bullish, which is a really good sign. So come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see, we went up to 1.6k, which is not too shabby, bro. It's around 17 SOL. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Just wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and as you guys can see, bro, 17.3 SOL will be received. Click on confirm, and boom, that's exactly how you do it, bro. Let's fucking go. Now if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, bro, boom, we received 1.6k for educational purposes only, obviously, bro. Even though Solana is down and the volume is kind of a bit down, bro, or deving meme coins is still a profitable business method. I would highly recommend to everyone to go to create meme.io. will be linked in the comments down below in the description. And to launch meme coins, bro, launch 1, 2, 3 coins and let me know in my Discord or Telegram how much you make. And good luck, bro. Let's go.